Burpees is a no from me. Chloe said I can't do it. No way I can't. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel if this is not your first time here. Okay, it is I, Tarila Green, back again with another video, and just like the title indicates, you already know what is going on, and that is why you clicked. A couple months ago I did a self-made 2 weeks challenge with Amy Wong video, and I absolutely loved the results I got from that video, and I've been craving to make another challenge video for my channel. Around the time I made the Amy Wong video, I came across Chloe Ting and how her 2 week shred challenge was viral. Everyone and their grandmother was doing it. And if you don't know who Chloe Ting is, to the best of my knowledge, a fitness personnel, and she has her own channel. She's very popular. She has brought out many challenges and many plans, long term, short term, 2 weeks, 1 month. But I didn't want to do it for the channel because I didn't want to come and disgrace myself, because I knew how much people were struggling to do Chloe Ting's challenge. So I did the challenge behind cameras and I loved it. Only for me to find out that Chloe Ting came up with another 2 week shred challenge for 2020, and I said, hold up, I have to join this one, and I did. And that is the video you guys are watching today, obviously. So to be honest, this video has no structure or anything. It's gonna be really short, going to be really simple. I just want to come out and give you guys realistically my experience with the Chloe Ting's challenge. So a couple weeks ago, I started the Chloe Ting 2022 week shred on the 1st of September, and it was a short but I must say workload of a journey. It was something else. Like, I am still wondering if Chloe Ting is a human being. Baby girl like you. Okay, so here is the before. Have a look before. Yeah, that's me. And unfortunately I did not record me taking my measurements before, but here are my measurements beside. By the end of the video you guys are gonna see after, so don't just jump to the end, watch the video, because what's the point? Yeah, so let us start with day one. It's day one. I'm really excited. I cannot wait to do this, but low-key I'm kind of scared because I feel like I won't be able to complete this challenge. So I'm just going to start right away. Excuse how I look now. I just came back from a morning jog. Let's start.
On YouTube, you're following the whole program at first time. Now, lean back slightly with your chest back out.
For some reason I can't do this one. I don't know, I just feel very weak.
Here.
My feet hurt! The fact that it's like 40 seconds each is what is paining me in my soul.
Look around, and the last exercise is up and down jacks.
What is this? I beg. I'm unfit. I no keep person. Chloe, you try.
And that's the workout, guys, right now.
Yeah! Bye. I don't think I need to give review of what I just went through because I practically did not go through anything because I skipped most of it. But I'm gonna try to not let this discourage me, and I will do tomorrow's own better. So today is day 2. Since I didn't really do the exercise as I should, my body is not paining me, my muscles are not aching. I was thinking of skipping today because I woke up with a headache, but nene, I shall not skip. And it turns out that the workout I did yesterday was meant to be today's workout. There's like multiple videos for a day. She has like a schedule and I didn't check the schedule, so I'm going to start using the schedule from today. Exercise this one into. I have just one question. How are we meant to do more than one of these exercises a day? Or am I the one reading the schedule wrong? I just got done with the second video, and I must say this video has got to be the hardest Chloe Ting video ever. It's currently day 4. I'm about to do day 3's exercise because I skipped yesterday. Day 4 is initially rest day, so I guess my rest day was yesterday.
I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk or I'm high, but I'm both right now. Got me talking about my life.
Day 3 is done, so see you guys tomorrow. It is day 5. I almost skipped today, almost 10 p.m. when I decided, no, I'm doing a challenge, I have to be focused. So I'm starting today with a warm-up because I know it's actually proper to warm up before and after exercise. Oh yeah. Burpees is a no from me.
I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk or I'm high.
So I just got done with the first workout, and I would like to announce that I am skipping the second one just because I just hate it and I really want to try something new. So I'm doing 3 workouts today, not 4.
I'm both right now.
Okay, there were 4 more exercises left of the last workout for today, and I have to stop. And my lower back hurts. I think I got some of my form wrong, and I don't want to make it hurt more, so I'm just going to stop here. So far for today, I feel really motivated, and I feel like I did a lot more than the last 3 days today. But that's the review for today. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. Day 6. And once again, it is 10 p.m. yesterday, 10 p.m. I could do the exercise well. So I just thought that if I do the exercise at the same time, I might feel motivated also, you know what I'm saying. Anyway, I won't be filming this today because I just don't feel like, but I want to let you guys know that it's day 6 currently. I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. The fact that I'm not even sweating like the other days, I can't even believe that I just finished doing a Chloe Ting's workout. Anyways, day 6 done, and today I'm very happy because I did all the exercises that I'm meant to do. I completed his videos and everything, so I'm proud of myself. Tomorrow is rest day, and I'm probably going to go for a bike ride or jog or something. After tomorrow, I have 6 days left, and I'm so excited. So day 7. Wednesday was yesterday, it's day 7 now. A new week, I can say that, right? I think there are 4 exercises today, so let's just start, I guess. So I'm just going to skip as a warm-up, then I'm just gonna go. Yeah, so kiss forever, maybe soft skin turns into leather. Day 8 done. I will not be filming tomorrow because but I'm done for today, and yeah. Yes, so that was how it went. That was how the 2 weeks went. Now, before anyone come at me like, why did you make the video if you did not finish the challenge? Well, like I said in the beginning of the video, this is going to be a realistic documentary on exactly what I went through with the Chloe Ting challenge. And yeah, I couldn't finish the Chloe Ting challenge. By the beginning of the 2 weeks, I was so motivated. I was like, yes, this is for me, I can do it. But by the time it was day 9, I was like, no, this is not for me. And it wasn't that it was so stressful, because honestly, as I went through the days, it got better. And I'm not saying this to be cliche or anything, but the main reason why I started lagging is the fact that I kept hurting my back. You guys saw how my form was wrong. I hate having back pain, and I kept having back pain, so I was like, what's good, you know? And during the time where I'll be resting, I'll just think, do I really have to continue this? Because for one, I cannot get my form right. Now I ended up saying I'm still gonna complete this video anyways, because I wanted to put it out there that it's okay to stop a challenge, because giving up when it's to your best interest isn't really giving up, you know, it's just moving to another stage. And I realized that I'm more of a cardio person. High intense interval training isn't really for me. I rather do that like 2 times a week. So I guess one thing you can take out of this video is that be sure to pay attention to what exercises is best for you. So just find out what's best for you, I guess. Since I only did 9 days, I can't even vouch for if the 2 weeks is gonna give you results. Although obviously you're not gonna see results in 9 days of doing exercise. So this is the after. This is how I look after the workout. Actually, a couple days after I stopped the workout, it did tone me up a bit, a tiny bit, especially in my arms. So the main thing I noticed from this workout is that it toned me up a bit. Lastly, would I recommend you guys to do this workout? Definitely. But along with any other workout you're gonna do, if you discover that the workout may just not be for you, then it's just not for you and you cannot push yourself to do it. If you know that you have a problem with forms, just like me, maybe get someone to advise you on how to properly form yourself. Yeah. So a little heads up for you, I will be doing a 1 month skipping challenge where I skip for 1,000 skips a day. And if you want to see that, be sure to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, be sure to hit that thumbs up. And remember that if giving up is at your best interest, then giving up is not a bad thing. Yeah. I upload every Sundays and Thursdays 4 p.m. West African time. So if you like that consistent content, be sure to subscribe. That is it for this video. I have other videos for you guys to watch. So in case you wanna watch my other video, and have a nice day.